Take a breath and feel the quiet power of this Clear Quartz Vogel Wand. Hand cut with 8 facets and shaped to Dr. Marcel Vogel's sacred geometry, it rests in your palm with perfect balance and clarity. Some pieces are entirely clear, others hold tiny natural veils, gentle reminders of the crystal's journey through the earth. None of them disturb its energy. They only add beauty and depth. Clear quartz is the universal healing stone. It amplifies intention, purifies your energy field, and connects with every chakra with ease. A simple, powerful companion for meditation, healing, and everyday alignment. Let it guide your energy wherever your path leads.